On September 5, 1977, NASA launched Voyager 1, a small spacecraft destined to become one of humanity's most ambitious undertakings. Alongside its twin, Voyager 2, it set out to study the outer planets of our solar system. No one at the time could have imagined that these machines would go far beyond their original mission, continuing their silent journey into the unknown, defying every expectation of their creators. Voyager 1 was built with the most advanced technology of its era, a marvel of 1970s engineering. It carried instruments designed to capture the secrets of distant worlds, cameras, spectrometers, magnetometers, and detectors capable of sensing the invisible forces shaping our solar system. Soon after launch, it became a pioneer, sending back breathtaking images and data that redefined our understanding of the gas giants and their moons. But as impressive as those discoveries were, Voyager 1's greatest achievements were still waiting in the darkness ahead. The mission was intended to last just 5 years. It was supposed to explore Jupiter and Saturn, then fade into silence. Yet more than 4 decades later, Voyager 1 is still alive, transmitting faint signals from over 14 billion miles away, farther than any human-made object has ever traveled. In 2012, it achieved one of the most extraordinary milestones in human history. It crossed the heliopause, the invisible frontier where the sun's influence ends and interstellar space begins. With that, Voyager 1 became our first interstellar ambassador, venturing into a realm where no spacecraft had ever gone before. Among the many scientists captivated by Voyager's odyssey is renowned physicist Michio Kaku. A lifelong supporter of the mission, Kaku recently shared revelations that left even him astonished. Voyager 1, he said, has detected something that challenges our understanding of the universe itself. According to Kaku, data returned from the spacecraft reveal anomalies that defy current models of physics, signals and patterns that simply don't fit with what we know about cosmic radiation, magnetic fields, or plasma waves. These findings could force us to rethink the very nature of interstellar space and perhaps even the forces that govern reality. The most perplexing of these anomalies are the mysterious signals Voyager 1 has recently transmitted. They are structured, rhythmic, almost patterned. They don't match any known form of cosmic microwave radiation, nor do they behave like the plasma emissions scientists expected to detect beyond the heliopause. Could they represent a new kind of physical phenomenon? Or might they be evidence of something else entirely? Some researchers propose that these signals are caused by interactions between Voyager's instruments and interstellar particles, a complex symphony of magnetic turbulence and cosmic dust. Others, however, whisper more extraordinary possibilities. That Voyager the first of may be brushing against unknown cosmic structures, regions of space shaped by forces or objects we've never encountered before. Operating in such an environment is no easy feat beyond the sun's protective bubble. Voyager 1 faces conditions harsher than anything in the solar system. It endures intense radiation, temperatures near absolute zero, and vast distances that stretch communication to the brink of impossibility. Each message takes over 20 hours to reach Earth, traveling across the void at the speed of light. To keep the spacecraft functioning, NASA engineers have been forced to make difficult choices. One by one, non-essential systems have been shut down to conserve its dwindling power supply. Only the most critical instruments remain active. Even so, Voyager 1 continues to send precious data, its endurance a testament to the brilliance and durability of 20th century craftsmanship. Through the decades, Voyager 1 has transformed our view of the cosmos. Its early images of Jupiter's moon Io revealed active volcanoes, erupting fountains of molten sulfur. At Saturn, it captured the intricate details of the planet's rings and discovered worlds cloaked in mystery, like Titan, with its thick orange atmosphere, and Europa, its surface of cracked ice concealing a hidden ocean. These revelations ignited new generations of missions. NASA's Europa Clipper and the Dragonfly mission to Titan owe their existence to Voyager's trailblazing path. But Voyager 1's significance goes beyond science and technology. It carries with it a message from Earth, a golden record engraved with sounds and images of our world. Greetings in dozens of languages, music from across cultures, the laughter of a child, the crash of ocean waves. A time capsule meant to last 1 billion years, drifting through the cosmos as a declaration of our existence. It is humanity's calling card to the universe, proof that, once upon a time, we reached for the stars. One of Voyager 1's most haunting capabilities is its ability to listen to the cosmos. Through its plasma wave instrument, it has recorded eerie, otherworldly tones, faint, shimmering frequencies born from the interaction between interstellar plasma and the spacecraft itself. Scientists often refer to them as the sounds of interstellar space. To hear them is to glimpse the cosmic void not as silent emptiness, but as a vast ocean filled with invisible vibrations, a haunting symphony that resonates across eternity. Recently, however, those recordings began to change. Within the data, researchers noticed subtle patterns, structured pulses and modulations that don't appear random. They suggest form, perhaps even intention. While most scientists remain cautious, the discovery has sparked intense debate. Could Voyager 1 be intercepting signals not of natural origin? Whatever the explanation, Voyager's data have already proven one thing. Interstellar space is far from empty. Instead of a cold, dead vacuum, it is a dynamic realm of magnetic fields, energetic particles, and waves rippling through a plasma sea. Voyager 1 has detected these ripples, echoes from distant supernovae, the deaths of ancient stars whose shockwaves still travel through the galaxy. Each new measurement paints a picture of a living cosmos, one in constant motion, whispering with energy. Even the boundary Voyager crossed in 2012, the heliopause, turns out to be far more complex than imagined. Scientists once thought it was a fixed barrier. Now they believe it breathes, it expands and contracts, flexing under the pressure of solar storms and interstellar currents. The frontier is alive, shaped by the forces of two worlds, the solar wind within and the galactic winds beyond. Voyager 1 has become our lone witness to this cosmic tug-of-war. Some researchers believe the anomalies in its data might connect to one of the deepest mysteries in modern physics, dark matter. This invisible substance, which makes up about 27% of the universe, has never been directly detected. Yet its gravity sculpts galaxies and dictates the structure of the cosmos. If Voyager 1 has encountered phenomena related to dark matter, it could provide a key to unlocking one of science's greatest enigmas. What if, in its lonely voyage, it has brushed against the unseen architecture of the universe? Others entertain even more daring theories. Could Voyager 1 have stumbled upon signals or structures created by advanced civilizations? Though such ideas remain speculative, they cannot be dismissed outright. The interstellar void may serve as a corridor for communication, a neutral zone for messages between distant intelligences. Perhaps Voyager 1, unknowingly, has wandered through one of these channels, intercepting transmissions not meant for human ears. Michio Kaku himself has expressed both awe and unease. He praises Voyager's achievements as some of the most profound in human history, but warns that venturing into unknown realms may expose us to phenomena beyond comprehension. Still, the spirit of discovery, the same spirit that launched Voyager in the first place, continues to drive us forward. The spacecraft's legacy has inspired a new era of exploration. Projects like Breakthrough Starshot aim to send miniature probes to nearby star systems, tiny, laser-propelled craft that could travel at a fraction of light speed. These missions, built on the foundation Voyager laid, will seek answers to the same questions. What lies beyond our solar neighborhood? What fills the space between the stars? Could life, intelligent or otherwise, exist somewhere among them? Voyager 1's journey is more than a feat of engineering. It is a reflection of humanity's unrelenting curiosity, our refusal to accept the boundaries of the known. For 4 to 5 years, this small, aging spacecraft has traveled farther than imagination once allowed, revealing truths about the universe that were once beyond our reach. From the swirling storms of Jupiter to the silent darkness of interstellar space, Voyager 1 has rewritten the story of exploration. Its recent findings, those strange, rhythmic signals and inexplicable anomalies, remind us of how little we truly understand. They suggest that the cosmos still holds secrets vast enough to humble even our greatest minds. And yet, within that mystery lies beauty. As Voyager 1 drifts ever deeper into the galactic sea, it carries not just instruments and sensors, but a piece of us. The golden record glints in the darkness, a silent emissary of our species. On it are the sounds of our planet, the essence of our humanity, preserved in copper and gold, waiting to be found by someone or something out there. Perhaps one day, far in the future, Voyager 1 will fall silent. Its power will fade, its instruments will sleep, and its voice will vanish into the background hiss of space. But even then, its legacy will endure. It will continue its endless drift among the stars, long after Earth has changed, long after the last of us are gone. Voyager 1 has become more than a machine. It is a symbol, a reminder of who we are, where we came from, and how far our curiosity can carry us. It tells a story of courage, of wonder, and of the human drive to understand the infinite. Its journey challenges us to keep looking upward, to keep reaching beyond the horizon. And as it sails through the interstellar dark, carrying our message into eternity, Voyager 1 stands as proof of a simple truth, that even the smallest voice cast into the vast unknown can echo forever. So, what do you think of Voyager 1's impossible discovery? Could it reveal something deeper, something that changes everything we know about the universe? Share your thoughts. And remember, the story of Voyager 1 isn't just about where it's been. It's about how far we're willing to go to uncover the mysteries that still await us in the silent, endless sea of stars.